If you are looking for network security software, then you may have stumbled across a pfSense. You also may have stumbled across a Firewalla. Today we're going to put them head to head. We're going to check out their features, benefits, and see why you should be choosing one over the other. So let's get into it. Let's have a look at pfSense now. So it's a free BSD foundation. It's built on robust free BSD. It's known for stability as well as high performance. Its extendable design has numerous add-ons for specialized requirements, and it has a very powerful IDS IPS capability with traffic shaping and also multi-WAN support. It has comprehensive open VPN and IPsec implementation for secure connections. You can also see over here that it requires a moderate to high powered hardware, typically a x86 or an x64 appliance. It is also not suitable for low resource routers or basic consumer equipment. You can see it also scales to handle complex corporate infrastructure requirements, and it's popular with networking enthusiasts who are building sophisticated setups. It handles demanding network needs with professional grade features. It is a contender. You can see over here also it has frequent updates for pfSense Plus, stable and more or less frequent updates for community editions. It also has advanced security policies and VLAN segmentation for isolated network zones, and it's widely used for VPN gateways, branch office firewalls, and also data center security. It's really a fantastic all-in-one tool. Okay, so Firewalla has fantastic features. Let's have a look at some of them. Firewalla delivers exceptional performance while processing speeds of up to more than 5 gigabytes per second, making it really ideal for modern high-speed networks. The platform also supports multiple device models to accommodate different network sizes as well as different requirements. So we have the Gold Plus. So the Gold Plus is a premium model with maximum throughput and multi-gigabyte capabilities for enterprise-grade security. We got the Gold SE, which is a mid-tier solution balancing performance and reliability, affordability, as well for medium-sized networks. And then we've got the Purple, which is a compact solution for smaller networks while still maintaining the core security features. The hardware also includes 2.5G 1 gigabit interface with specifically designed for multi-gigabyte networks, powering both residential and business environments worldwide. Let's have a look at some of their intelligent security features. So they have proactive threat management. This is an active protect. So Active Protect technology continuously monitors network traffic, which automatically identifies and blocks potential threats before they can even impact your device or your data. The system employs advanced intrusion prevention systems that work silently in the background. They also have behavior analytics, which examines device activity patterns over time, flagging any suspicious behavior that might indicate a compromise. The machine learning approach helps identify threats that traditional signature-based detection might actually miss. You also get real-time alerts, which notify you immediately when cyber threats target your IoT devices or attempt to breach your network. This allows for immediate response. It also has the geo-IP filtering, providing additional security layers by blocking traffic from specific countries or regions known for malicious activity. Effectively, this prevents many remote attack vectors. The last thing over here is the advanced control and network management. So you can actually create virtual walls that isolate different network zones. Could be work, family, kids, whatever the case may be for you individually. This is an enhanced security feature and great for privacy. Each segment can actually have its own rules and restrictions. You also have a quarantine mode, which automatically restricts new or unknown devices when they connect, applying strict rules until they are manually approved. Of course, this completely prevents unauthorized access. You can also create specific traffic rules to block web pages, manage device accessibility, period, and also remove ads across your entire network with simple configuration. The platform also includes comprehensive vulnerability scanning capabilities that identify potential security risks such as open ports, weak passwords, and outdated firmware across all connected devices, which provides actionable remediation steps. All right, ladies and gentlemen, there you go. A comparison right here, a brutal, honest comparison, highlighting all of the best features and benefits from all of the software that you've just seen. Now, if this really was helpful, you can go ahead and drop us a like, and we will see you next time.